Right, here's the next part, because I've got enough trouble with YouTube as it is, blocking me from getting any views. Anything over 1 minute and no one ever watches it. Right, I've got the cases together. If you watch the other videos, you'll know why I'm doing it this way. Right, I'm looking for gear, shift, drum. Will that give me the gear selector as well? Ah, the smell of hot diesel here is amazing. Right, yeah, I was correct. Okay, so I had some random loose bits and I wasn't sure where they go. But I can see there, look, I've got the spring, this random washer, which I guessed was going there, and the bolt. So the spring's got to go on the back. So that means the spring's got to go there. Probably locks off in there. It will be Loctited on a final build. But all I'm doing at the moment, because the end of the gearbox has been repaired, is I'm slack building everything up. Just to see if it's right or wrong. You wouldn't have to do this if you were just doing a normal repair. But I'm doing a full-on rebuild, so this is what we gotta do. Right, now I need to find my neutral detent. And I got a chance of getting it 180 degrees out. I also want to be able to rotate that around so I can get in there easily. Oh, I've got a lack of things here, hold on. Right, we're back. So, we've got two choices here of getting this right or wrong. I've got to go with that one. Which he doesn't seem to be very happy about. Huh. Why doesn't the bolt want to go in there then? That's a bit odd. What am I missing? Nothing. What are those little... That's the back of the pins, isn't it? Yeah, so... Where's it gone? There he is. Was it not on? This is a bit odd. Alright, let's just try it 180 out just in case there is. Ah, okay. There's only one way to put it on. Fancy that, eh? You must have those pins drilled in there slightly off of 180, apart from each other. Right, I can release that for a second. Oh. No, I can't. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Right. Just knit that up. Knit that up. Right, now then. Oh, that's not going to work because you haven't. Right. I may have something completely wrong here because we're not wanting to go in any gears. These don't like going in gear anyway without the engine running a lot of the time, so you'll have to bear with me. I'll just look down through the top a minute. Right, I've gone between gears there. Right, I jumped 3 gears then. And another one. And another one. Right. Now we got neutral. I don't know if I can give you the view that I had. Let us have a look. What can you see? Down in there is your selector drum. A bit hard. Yeah, I don't think you're going to get the view, but I can see down in there. There you go. Ooh, you can now. Now you see it, now you don't. Right. So, moving on the end here. This little half crescent one, this is always your neutral. So you're going to go one way for first, and you're not going to be able to go any more. Well, actually, because I don't have the selector shaft in, you can go more, but technically you shouldn't be able to go any more. You should be able to go to first, and that's the end of the game. And then the rest are all back around the other way. So, let's just go for first. Right, that's first. Oh, I think it's first. That's neutral. Second. Ooh. Where's the output? Maybe that was first. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. And right, fifth, he says. One more. Right, not quite going into sixth. This is a disaster video, but nobody ever puts up disaster videos, so you're getting to see something different. Right, that's 4, 3, 2, neutral, 1. Okay. Neutral, second. Third. Third. Right. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Six. Okay, I've got 6 in the end. Right. 5. 4. The dogs won't mesh if you don't rotate both shafts. Sport. 3. You got to rotate 2, both the shafts. Otherwise, if one's slightly out from the other, they're not going to mesh. Oops! Jump straight over neutral. Right, back to neutral. First. And I'll do it again. Neutral, second, third, fourth. Right, he's going to have to rotate to get fifth. Come on. You can do it. There you go. Fifth. And sixth. There you go. That's interesting. Spin that'll be alright when that's torqued up. Right. So a little bit of a ballsed up video, but it gives you the general idea of what you got to do, just to make sure you're getting all your gears. So back to the selector. 4, 3, 2, 2 again, because that wasn't 4. Neutral. Right. 1. Neutral. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, neutral. First. Right, I'm happy with that, so I can split the casings again now, knowing the gearbox is going to work. I think I'll fit the clutch basket up on this next to see if it's going to hit that, because that is really high compared to original. I hope it does. That'll be in the next video. Later.